Why the apple turns brown? It is actually when an apple is cut or bruised, oxygen is introduced into the injured plant tissue. When an oxygen is present in cells, PPO enzymes rapidly oxidize phenolic compounds naturally present in the apple tissues, and it produces colorless precursors to brown-colored secondary product. Now we know a little bit about background information, we're gonna start our experiment. Here are the materials that we will need for the experiment. After collecting the materials, we will label the Ziploc bags with the corresponding names. Then we're gonna peel our apple and cut it into smaller slices, as shown in a video. Now we're gonna put the materials, the liquids, into the Ziploc bags, such as vinegar, lemon juice, lime, water, and salty water. Then, to each bag, we add 2 slices of apples, and in the fresh one there is no liquid, just 2 slices of apples. To make an easier observation, I labeled my plates as well. After leaving the slices in a Ziploc bag for 3 minutes, put the slices next to the corresponding labels. This is the time lapse for 1 hour period. So in this video, you can see how some of the slices turn into brownish color. This is the final product after 2-hour period. As we can see, fresh apple, vinegar, water, salty water coated apples turned into brown color. So we can conclude from here, if you coat your apple slices with lemon or lime juice, you can keep it fresh for a little bit longer.